Hi, wonderful humans. The purpose of this video is to explain to you your assignment for the next few days, as well as tell you the purpose of this assignment and then how you are going to submit this assignment. So first off, you cannot see this assignment in Google Classroom yet. However, it is going to be released at 8 a.m. today. Once you are able to see this assignment, it will pop up here on our stream for Google Classroom. In addition, I'm just going to go to classwork right now so that you can see exactly what it's going to look like. Again, it's really important that you watch this entire video as it will explain everything that you need to know for this assignment. First and foremost, this is going to be a timed DBQ assignment. Now, I'm not going to be sitting right next to you to know whether or not you followed the timed format, but just know that I am not going to be grading you on how complete your DBQ is or if you gained all the points. There's another purpose to this, and I'll explain that later in the video. So again, it's really important that when you are about to start this assignment that you are organized as if you are going to be taking an actual test or the actual AP test, and that you have a 45-minute timer set either on your phone or on your iPad, something to keep track of. What you are going to be doing is you are going to be reading through a DBQ about Unit 5, so it's about state-sponsored industrialization, and you get to choose how you would like to write it. There is a Google Doc if you would like to type it, and then at the very end you can just press submit or turn in on the Google Doc and be good to go. However, if you are somebody who thinks that during the actual AP test that you are going to want to handwrite everything, then I'm going to encourage you to handwrite either on a plain piece of paper or on a white lined piece of paper, and then what you are going to do is submit via Google Form. So I'm going to open this up really quickly so that you can see it. Again, you are going to have the photos that you can attach at the bottom. All that I ask is that you try to take really nice photos, not something that's going to be super far away or hard for me to read and then think that you are playing a trick on me. So that is your assignment for today. Again, you'll have the PDFs. You can decide how you would like to, again, organize. Remember that technically on testing day, you will not be allowed to put the PDFs into Notability. So this might also be really good practice of figuring out, do I want to have a planning doc all printed off? Do I want to have a planning doc like the Google Doc, a copy of it made in a separate tab to use, because that is allowed, or do I just want to have a plain piece of scratch paper? So that's really up to you. Again, I would highly encourage you to start working on what am I going to do on testing day. The last thing is really the purpose of this assignment. Again, the purpose of this assignment is that you are going to be able to see what can you do in 45 minutes right now. And then part of next week's assignment is that you are going to go back and reflect on your DBQ. So you're going to go back and highlight things that you think you would have gotten points on, and then we can try to figure out from there, I think I would have gotten this many points based on this DBQ. But more importantly, reflecting of like, here are things that I need to work on, or easier ways I could have gone about this to get more points or the bigger bang for my buck within those 45 minutes. And the last thing is, we are starting to test out within the next 2 weeks, what ways would you like to write and then submit your work for the actual test. So again, your options are that you are either going to submit a handwritten assignment via the Google form, or you are going to do a typed assignment on the Google Doc. If you have any questions throughout the day, please let me know. I'm here to help. But again, make sure you set the timer for 45 minutes. Only take 45 minutes. Stop wherever you are at. Submit there. Do not take longer than 45 minutes. Bye, everyone.